The intelligent screw allows you to handle fasteners in your profile construction easily. Using the M-Mold Feature Manager pane, open the cavity insert. Start a sketch on the top face of the cavity. Select the face and offset the entities at a distance of 10 mm. Exit the sketch. Save and close the part. Hide the A1 plate and the top clamp plate for better view. Then go to Intelligent Screw and select Add Screw. Select Method, choose by Catalog. Under Select Screw, select the nominal size, 10. Under Define Location, click Placement Face. Select the face shown as the placement face. Check to select Sketch, and select the sketch drawn on the cavity insert in the previous step. You should be able to see the dynamic preview of the fasteners on the graphical area. Click Last Plate. From the Feature Manager, select the instance of the cavity insert part from which the sketch is selected. The screw length is automatically calculated. Click to select Copy to All Impression. The Copy to All Impression option will add fasteners to all the impressions in a multi-cavity mold. Click OK to add the fasteners. Let's repeat the earlier step, but this time, add fasteners to the core insert side. Save the project.